Hey there, and welcome quite literally to Behind the Scenes this week. We have been forced inside by not a cyclone, but the edges of a cyclone. Thankfully, it's not going to hit us anymore, but you can probably hear it's pretty wild out there. And two guesses what we're going to talk about. Welcome to the video recording of my flash briefings for Amazon Alexa smart speakers, so you can tailor-make your own podcasts. This is 2 minutes to more money, and in the aftermath of floods, fires and cyclones, it's time we talked insurance. In Townsville alone, the bill is pushing $900 million from some 22,000 claims. Unbelievably, after insurers were supposed to fix their flood act post the 2011 inundation of Brisbane, some are using loopholes to deny payouts. This when the ACCC's found insurance in the cyclone-prone north can be 3 to 5 times more expensive than elsewhere. If you didn't buy flood cover, like many who thought there was little risk, you need to hope they find it was stormwater, not floodwater. CanStar research shows you have to pay extra for flood cover with 17% of Queensland policies, and the lesson for everyone else in Australia, as extreme weather becomes more common, is be absolutely sure if you choose no flood protection that you don't need it. That's your number one insurance mission this week. And while you're water focused, check all your pipes, under sinks, etc. to make sure they're not in need of replacement. Assessors tell me those silver bendy ones are responsible for 75% of all internal floods. They said this when we had a massive 2-story one right here. Our insurer is one of the few that don't deny such claims on poor maintenance grounds. Next, call your insurer to ask whether, if your home were destroyed, it would pay 100% for you to rebuild. Not only might you or your insurer have underestimated its worth, when disaster strikes, building costs spike. Just ask the people in raised towns after the Black Friday bushfires. Also find out if fire hypothetically didn't touch your house, if you'd be covered for smoke damage. Often you wouldn't. This is even the case if you have to pay a literally hefty premium for being in a common bushfire zone. The third and vital policy check you need to perform this week is one you've probably never thought of. Does it cover you for legal liability if someone is injured in your house and outside of home as well? You want to make sure if you accidentally hurt someone, say on the golf course, it won't ruin your future. When it comes to insurance, cheap policies are dangerous false economy. Pick up the phone now.